Greetings, hey, it's Susie Q. Working with something happened, going into the AKASHIC records, I'm retrieving it, and we're putting it together with an automatic written piece. So we've got some key words here: love vibration, vibration of truth, enlivened system of consciousness, relational expression, notice this flash, electrically fused with healing streams of light, and invite this gift. So those are some of the key phrases that I picked. Haven't really read it, but I'm looking at some of the key words. So we're going to get started right now with this automatic written piece and see what you think, right? All right, so giving the gift of unconditional love in the spaces of here and there and up and over has a way of transfixing lines of old knowing. The idea of love has taken on a more conventional meaning in this way and here now. Remove the word. Remove the notion. Settle into the vibration of the truth of what it feels like within the bodysuit when this love vibration enters your field of perceptible awareness. Beyond the knowing of rational thought, we see you may have trepidation with this receiving and giving of this love vibration. Let me see if I can do that sentence again. Beyond the knowing of rational thought, we see you may have trepidation with this receiving and giving of this love vibration. We see how unknowingly you withhold this vibration or disallow it into your auric field. This vibration is more than a relational expression. For this receiver, she feels deep universal love when thinking of her children, grandchildren, and many other high heart touches that are now coming to her in what represent waves of electricity, and some may say tingles, tingle, 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 right? We see that when you're freer to express or receive the transmission vibration, your body system naturally reorganizes into more enlivened system of consciousness. This vibration, in whatever condition you find yourself, has a way of sparking cell by cell by cell your form here and in this way. We gently nudge you to, particularly now, to draw awareness to this love vibration. If it is fleeting, that's okay. Notice it even if the flash of knowing. Notice if even in this flash of knowing. Notice this flash or sensation, even if it seems silly. We do love it when you are silly. Notice again and again. As you notice this love spark or flash, we see the body system electrically fused with healing streams of light, cell by cell by cell. Love vibration heals. Invite this gift in each moment, beginning now, happening now. Play, sing, dance, draw, compose, draw, dream, laugh, and bring back the little wee, and bring back the wee little kid in you. So cheeky. I don't know. It's just so cray-cray. When we start working with all of these energies and having a greater experience with life and all, we just have all of these kind of senses of curiosity. And again, when I first started, just reading this, I was like, oh God, here I go again. I'm like all kind of goofy, right? And then we're looking at that love vibration. What does that mean? How am I experiencing the love vibration? Or what else do I need to know about having more love? Is it love outside of my field, or is it within my body, or is it down in the cat down the street? I mean, who knows? Then you move into the vibration of truth. So today I had a beautiful QHHT session, and for the life of me, she was completely out the whole time. She had no idea what she said, but this vibration of truth comes through these hypnosis pieces, through quantum healing hypnosis technique. And so all of this energy is so spectacular, because when a person is not vulnerable, but they're in kind of another state of consciousness with hypnosis, and then all of a sudden the truth is becoming known, and we'll see what she thinks. So, but she was completely freaking out, and it was a lot about some good things about her body, right? So, okay, the next one is relational expression. What does that mean? Relational expression. How do we relate with one another? How do we use our expression and our facial awareness, or just the way that we walk or talk or have experiences? But that relational expression is really helping each one of us to have a better experience moving forward. Boots on the ground, baby. Boots on the ground, baby. Then we move into the enlivened system of consciousness. What does that mean? Enlivened? Am I alive or not? Am I good or bad? Purple or green? I don't know. But the enlivened system of consciousness is really wakening up people. Like, wake up, baby. Wake up over here. Wake up, little baby. Wake up. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm doing that. But all of this energy is really moving out that energy, moving it out, shifting it out, bringing more energy over here, bringing in that galactic energy, bringing in all of these beautiful states of, oh yeah, here I am. Oh yeah, here I am. Next one is notice this flash. Sometimes there's a flash, so there could be a flash of an opportunity, a flash of awareness, a flash of loving yourself, a flash of noticing all of the people that you love, noticing the flash of goodness and sweetness and miracles and relationships and fun stuff, so all of that notice, it's like a flash. It comes in super quick, really, really abrupt energy. And it's not abrupt, but it's like, yes, it's like, let's go, let's get going. The next one is electrically fused with healing streams of light. And so I think a lot of us are already receiving some of these energies with that light, that golden light, that bright light, whatever light you call it. But that streams of light are kind of coming in. They're coming in. And I always say it's kind of like a snake energy when I'm working with some of these energies that I'm playing with, And they're all spectacular. They're all here to support us, to love us. And we start learning that we have better opportunities to have a better experience in life. And the more that we do that, we have more connections with one another. For a while, some of us were kind of womp, womp, womp. Nobody loves me, or maybe there was a time of pause, a time of pause to just be in your own space, be relaxed, be peaceful, be calm, be aware of your surroundings. And all of these things are kind of conspiring us to have a better experience with the electrically fused with healing streams of light. All of this light is coming through. It's around us. We're surrounded by it. Our body is pure light. All this beautiful divinity that we have. And then we kind of wake up to invite this gift. What is the gift? The gift is, here I am. I'm working with my lessons in this lifetime. I'm working with my divine purpose in this lifetime. I'm assisting others. I'm feeling good in my body. And at the earliest onset of something with my body, I start relating to it and go, what else do I need to do to kind of clear up some vibe with my body? Yeah, so all that stuff is kind of percolating. It's percolating, and it's reminding us that we have the power. We have that juice. We have that yummy, yummy juiciness that will help us when things are happening with the body, or happening with our relationships, or happening with our capacity to create more goodness in the field. All of this is free. Hey people, free range chickens over here. It's free range chickens. All of this is free. It's free energy to have a better experience with your life, your healing of your body. Most of the work I do is with the body. So I just came off of a beautiful QHHT session, and we found 3 different levels of past lives just maybe about 2 hours ago. And we found some origins of what happened in her present body. So we had 3 examples, 3 totally complete examples from another past life, and there were 3 different lifetimes that we experienced. All of this energy, all of this power, and all of this intelligence, this innate intelligence, is working for all of us. You could say, well, they did it and I didn't do it, but all of us have the capacity to wake up, people, wake up. Hello, come on. Is anybody listening? No. But we start looking at that innate intelligence, and each one of us has the capacity to do something better. To listen, to be more listening and feeling into some of the energies, finding the impressions and finding the vibe that you're in. What kind of vibe are you? How are you vibing right now? What's that feel like? How amazing can that be? This energy is so powerful, and it's not unique. It has always been here. The whole freaking time, people. The whole freaking time we've had this access to this energy to help us in so many different ways. So I think that's it for now. We'll see you soon. And namaste.